What's up, guys? About to bring Old Faithful out, take it up to Willow Springs. They got Drift Week going on, so the Drift Week guys come out to California, it looks like every couple years or so. So anyways, gonna go meet up with those guys, go drift with some really good drivers. There's like 40, 50 or so of them up there, maybe more, who knows. But I'm gonna go out there, have some fun, drift with some really good drivers. Once again, run beat up vet again, C6 Z06. And try some new things, maybe getting some nice little tandem trains. We'll see how it goes, but overall should be a fun day, and I'm looking forward to it. It's about to fire up and roll out. Alrighty, so we are arriving at Drift Week, rolling in here. Already heard some cars just ripping it already. There's a lot of cars here, a bunch of sick cars. I gotta find a good place to get parked. But yeah, everyone's here at balcony. Man, I see all that tire smoke and everything.